Hi everyone, my name is Viri and I am Para los Niños Associate here at the Children's Museum Houston. As you all know, we love Halloween, and since you cannot come celebrate with us, we are bringing a celebration to you at home all October long. Today we'll be making a DIY cow costume, super easy and super simple you can all do at home. And before I get started, I would like to thank the City of Houston through the Houston Arts Alliance and Robert & Kay Onstead Foundation. Let me show you the materials that you need today for your DIY cow costume. Let's get started. You'll need a plain white t-shirt, fabric black paint, a pair of scissors, and a sponge. First, grab your sponge and a pair of scissors, and if you need help, you're welcome to ask an adult. Let's cut the sponge in half. All right, next, grab your fabric paint, and then just dot it a little on the sponge and start dotting it on your t-shirt. You can make as many dots as you want, as dark as you want, however you like. It's up to you. Don't forget, this is fabric paint, so if you get dirty in your clothes, it might stay there forever. And that's it. Super easy, super simple. You can always pair this with some black leggings and white shoes, however you like, or you can always pair it with a black tutu. We would love to see your costume in the comments below. Please tag us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. This is Viridiana, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.